Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 5th of June 2024, see what's happening in the market. So first of all, let's see what happened today. We had a Jolt's job opening news negative. So gold at 3 p.m. moved. Look, 3 p.m. it went to the upside as per the analysis, per the news. Filled this gap and then went down and moved up from the level. So that's what we had today. Also, our yesterday's trade, which was from around here, if you took trade, that was a sell trade up to at least here, first profit and second profit. In fact, you could have taken some profit here, or some even here. So depends how you manage your trade. Right. Now going back to the news for tomorrow, 5th of, sorry, not 6th, 5th of June. I think I said 6 before, so it's 5th of June tomorrow. And we have some CAD news as well, but for dollar, as far as we are concerned, normally in dollar, we got 245 medium impact and 3 p.m. heavy impact. So also 1115 is ADP non-farm change. These are heavy impact news. And one medium impact. We have CAD 2:45 p.m. as well. 3:30 we got CAD AUD by 2:30. But normally trade in gold, US dollar is most concerning to us. But however, in CAD you can take sometimes trade as well in gold if you know how to trade. Because CAD does affect the price of gold. All right. Let's go to our market is still running. This is a daily chart. Let's see how the daily candle closed. But it looks the market's sentiment, market's technical showing is a bearish mood of the market. But let's see how it get out. Also, if you look from this perspective, uh, it is definitely is bullish. But from here, this is trying to break below this and could be bearish up to here. And once this is broken, we'll go more bearishness unless it goes to the upside. So that's what we're looking for. And for that, we need to go to smaller time frame. We see the rejection here, and that was a buy trade from here. And in smaller time frame, you can see this double bottom and this big candle telling us to buy. And going on to 15 minutes. See, it's a buy from here. This is the lowest point. And even 5 minutes, you can see. Let's say 15 minutes, what can happen? In 15 minutes, probably better trade will be from around here with the liquidity sweep of this, and we go for buy. However, if this level is broken, then up to 2300 we have sell trade. So that's it. I mean, we already explained before as well. Sorry about that. Yesterday, that 15 minutes is bearish. Is a broke above break of structure again, and now retracement and sell trade. So this is what's happening at the moment. And now for the gold to go by, it can go from here, here, or even from this level. So let's see. I hope this is helpful, and you have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye bye.